and welcome. In this video we're going to be going through our latest updates to Infinite Ceilings. Many of you will be very familiar with Infinite Ceilings' ability to model ceiling panel designs very rapidly and to include all the necessary structure, including the ceiling channels, the hangers and the framework. However, you may also be aware that we actually went a little bit too far with this tool and had it calculating all the panels around the border and all the odd shapes precisely in the back end. This caused it to be extremely power hungry and hence slow to regenerate. We've provided aids to enable you to model a lot more quickly. However, the regeneration was still a little slow and in some cases a little buggy. So there are two things we have done. First is kind of boring. We stripped out all these complex equations and used geometric cuts to control those elements now. And to ensure we have an accurate 2D representation, we have only kept the equations for where the joints intersect the boundaries. The second thing we have done, and this is a lot cooler and a lot more fun, is we've actually turned it into a Zone Accessories tool. So now you can place complex ceiling configurations with a couple clicks. Let's have a look at how this works. Firstly, I'll draw a quick zone. Then I select the zone. I go to Design, Design Extras, Interior Wizard, Create Room Accessory, Ceiling Accessory, have my Infinite Ceilings 2.0 selected, click OK, and click OK. And there it is, automatically mapped. Let's have a quick look in 3D. Okay, and there is my ceiling. Some of these elements have defaulted to off. We can change that quickly. Now all I need to do is go into my settings and start changing the panel arrangements, component geometry and representation. So firstly, just as an example, I'm just going to change the panel material. So I'm going to go to a single material and it's the first material, so that's blue. Click OK. Okay, so now we've got all one material. I'm going to go and change all my borders. So we'll go down to the 2D for this. And we can now go through all the other processes that you're probably fairly familiar with if you've been using this tool. So we got the boundary features, global is off. I'm going to turn that to on and I'm going to set them all to cornice type boundary. Looking 3D, okay, that's what we want. Go back into the settings. Let's go into the frame. Let's turn that frame off. We don't want frames and we don't want hangers. It's the main channel. Spring T is T section. Click OK. And there is our ceiling design. Now you can see also we have some with different sections on it. They can also all be handled in the 2D or here. We turn this down to joints and we find the odd one, this one. So that shows that we have the spring T and the main channel. And there we go. Now what happens if the zone changes? Let's have a look. Let's select our zone, make a few changes. With the zone selected, we go to Design, Design Extras, Interior Wizard, and Update Room Accessories. And it updates. So there you have our new ceiling tool as a zone accessory. So you can see that it is now a much faster tool. It does a lot less calculations in the background, so it will regenerate and be modeled a lot quicker. And now you can place the boundaries instantaneously using the Zone Accessory function. We hope you enjoyed this video and hope you look forward to using our new version of Infinite Ceilings for ArchiCAD. Thanks for watching.